I'm Tamara with Wyoming Dutch Oven Cooking. Welcome to our video and welcome to my kitchen today. We're doing something really fun. It's a Mexican rice. It's Hispanic, of course, and we have all kinds of wonderful spices and things going on. And we're going to do it in our 10-inch Dutch oven outside over briquettes today. We're going to cook it at 350 for about an hour. First, we're going to get my cast iron Dutch oven hot, warm, and brown my hamburger, and then put my onions, and I have about a cup of green peppers, or you can use Anaheim or poblano. It depends on if you want to give it a little more kick. We're going to put some white rice in there, some cilantro got going on here, about a cup. We've got some fresh salsa, 2 cups of frozen corn, of course, wonderful chopped onions, which are really strong. And I'm going to add a can of the Rotel Diced Tomatoes with green chilies. That'll give it a little more of a kick. Tomato paste, some beef broth, and my seasonings. And I like to do this ahead of time. It just helps with preparing things. And in this seasoning, I've got a teaspoon of smoked paprika, a teaspoon of garlic powder, or you can use fresh garlic if you want to. Of course, a teaspoon of chili powder, cumin, and black pepper. All right, this is what we're going to start doing. Well, as you can see, our hamburger browned very nicely along with our green peppers and onions. And now I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients. We're going to put our tomato mixture in here. Our salsa. Of course, I have it. Okay, our corn, our cilantro. My goodness, is this going to be yummy? And our rice. And I'm going to get this all mixed together here. And this is our beef broth. I like this organic beef broth. And I'm going to put about half of this container, which would be probably 1.5 cups to 2 cups. As you can see, we have a lot going on here, and of course this rice is going to absorb a lot of this liquid, so we'll stir this up, put the lid on, and of course, you know, for 350 there's 8 on the bottom, about 12 on top, and we're going to put the lid back on and let this cook for about an hour, get this rice and everything cooked together. And if you need to add more liquid, you can always add it. We'll see you in about an hour and show you how wonderful this is when it's done. Well, our rice got done, and I'm going to go ahead and put our cheese in. Let this melt. And then we're going to serve it later on with our rest of our dinner. This is a wonderful side dish. You can have this with anything you want or just eat it. And it did take about an hour, which is absolutely perfect. Okay, we'll see you inside. Thank you. Well, our wonderful rice got done, and it did take about an hour. As you can see, it turned out absolutely wonderful. This is a wonderful side dish with whatever you want to have, or just have it alone with a flour tortilla. And just remember to subscribe, hit that like button, and share with all of your family and friends. Thank you for joining us today. We hope that you're having a great day just like we are. And we do also have a website. It's wyomingdutchovencooking.com. And if you go to that website, we have a wonderful guide that tells you the care and tips on your cast iron, any type of cast iron, and there is free recipes. Thank you for joining us. And our motto is, great food shared with family and friends equals great times. I'm going to taste this and make sure it's wonderful. I'm sure it is. Oh my. Very, very good. Until we meet again, which we will be meeting you again next Tuesday. Thank you.